Now talking to you about how we deal with confounding. As I told you, confounding is one which affects both the exposure and outcome. So how do we deal with confounding? Before understanding this, what you need to understand, what is a confounder? See, this is an exposure, okay, which will lead to an outcome, okay. And this is basically a confounder. Confounder is one which affects both exposure as well as outcome. This you understood. Now how do we deal with confounding? Now there are two stages of a study. You know, when you make a study design, that is known as the design stage of the study. And the another one is the analysis stage of the study. Design stage and analysis stage. So there are different methods by which we can deal with confounders both at the design stage as well as the analysis stage. At the design stage it is Mr. You can remember by Mr. Matching used at the design stage to balance the confounders. Matching basically acts by balancing the confounders. Then restriction and last but not the least, I told you extremely important, randomization, like we do randomized control trials. Randomization. Experimental studies, that is also known as the RCTs or the randomized control trials. Then in the analysis stage, what we can do? What we can do? We can do stratification. Stratification. And else what we can do? We can do multivariate analysis. This comes in regression, logistic or linear regression used in analysis to adjust for confounders. That is known as adjust. It is used in analysis to adjust for confounders. Multivariate analysis, logistic regression model or linear regression model. This all can be done at the analysis stage. Okay. Then there is a very commonly asked term which people are confused about. I like to mention it, which is known as adjusted analysis. Adjusted analysis. Now what is this? Adjusted analysis is nothing but statistical adjustments done after data collection. This is very important. Adjusted analysis is statistical adjustments done after data collection, not during design. Not during design. Okay, so this finishes how to deal with confounding. Bye.